foil on the top of the number 18 Glitz gel polish. Each layer of the gel polish I cure for 60 seconds, and then I apply the premium IO transfer foil on the gel polish and cure for 30 seconds. So now it's already cured. So I'm going to use a third design from this box number 100. There are 10 more different transfer foil box is released and is ready for you to grab it. And also, if you're seeing it on there, they're all up to 20% off. It's 20% off for the transfer foil, so grab it. And don't worry about when you're seeing the price and it going to take off when you check out. So when you hit the checkout button, even before you pay anything, you are going to see your discount, a huge discount you are going to get. And if you are having any further questions, don't hesitate to let us know, DM us. Our team will be really happy to assist you. So this one doesn't matter. I don't know why I always like to be angled like this. So you can do straight, you can do like this, doesn't matter. Oh, maybe I should do that. It's like way angle like that. So give it a try. So you can see the background of the purple, young purple. Give it a good press down. My hands have oil, so I'm gonna using that tweezers and give a final rub on it. Ready? It came off just like that for you. It transferred pretty much everything. Well, it's a little spot that if I didn't press it enough. Hey Nene, how are you? Thanks so much, everyone. So now let's move on to the crystal placements. Happy Saturday, everyone. Thank you so much for tuning in. And of course, the condensed glue gel really thick, so you are going to apply just a smaller amount. You don't need a whole lot, but also you don't want it too little. So if you feel like you apply this one time and you apply the crystal placement, you feel like it's just running too much, or it just flooded your crystal, try it again and do a little bit less. Then you'll see that's going really smoothly. And I'm not keying anything yet. I am going to apply fully no white top coat right on the top. You know what? I really want this one. I'm going to use that one. This is my fave. I have so many fave. So I'm not using a beautiful drop, and I am so obsessed with this shape. I'm gonna do next one. Oh my god, I can hear the fireworks. Oh. And then the frames come in that beautiful neon kits. You will never go wrong with this time. Well, I'll upgraded it for you, so then you are not only having a gold frame, you are going to get a silver as well. So you get a mix of both. Where am I? That's so beautiful. And then the cool things about this is a reflection of the Young's purple. So keep in mind, if you're doing different colors, like if you are doing peachy, it's gonna have a reflection of a peachy on it. If you're doing any other colors like green, that is might have a reflection of the green on that too. So it doesn't matter what colors you are going to use, it's going to be really gorgeous. I'm gonna add super beautiful.
And the link from YouTube, yes, you can do my top coat with condensed glue gel. So instead of your no white top coats, which usually shiny, you can do my top coat, work the same way.
Thank you.
underneath. So currently I don't think we have a bundle with those, but right now we do have stuff on sale, so you will get 20% off transfer foil, and the same thing with the transfer foil gel. So if you want to get some, this is your chance.
This is so fabulous. Ah, I'm in love with this. You can add so many more designs and crystal if you want to. Feeling I'm missing a little bit. There you go. Let us know if you ever want to see like the foil completely kits, like a tool, which is transfer foil gel, and then the tweezers, and then the foil. That'd be awesome, huh? Like, oh, so nice. One more. You will never go wrong with crystal placements. All right, so happy with this. We're going to cure for 60 seconds.